All right, welcome back. On this one, it says unity of Nigeria is non-negotiable. So don't bring up issue of Biafra or Odūduwa. Inuwa Yaya. All right, onto this one, the governor of Yobe State, Inuwa Yaya, called on those agitating for the disintegration of Nigeria to stop such agitation because Nigeria cannot survive another civil war. Therefore, the country should remain indivisible as one nation. Alright, he urged that during the days of Gowon as president after the war in 1970, Nigeria had a lot of money for rebuilding and development because of a sharp increase in the price of oil, but now there is no money in Nigeria. He made this assertion while handling a visitation panel from the Federal University Kachere Folk chaired by Dr. Mark John Nwobiala and the administration committee of the university led by Professor Umar Pate. Governor Yaya said that those clamoring for Biafra Odūduwa and so on don't know what is good for the general population of the country. Alright, according to the statement, he stated clearly that he doesn't support the breakup of the country. He maintained that the unity of Nigeria is not negotiable. He wants the agitators not to even bring up the issue because according to him, all that Nigerians want now is peace and progress and not war. Governor Yaya said, I don't endorse anybody that is calling for the separation of Nigeria. The unity, peace and progress of Nigeria are not negotiable. Nobody at this point should bring up such issues as IPOB, Odūduwa, Afenifere or whatever, or Shege Kafasa from the north. What we need is unity, calmness and progress of the common people, he said. Alright, and then onto this one, a lot of people have different opinions towards this. Well, onto this, I've said that unity of Nigeria is non-negotiable. So don't bring up issues of Biafra or Odūduwa, and this has been said so far by the governor of Gombe State. Alright, you know what? Yeah, namely. Alright, and then onto this, it has been gathered that, well, you are pro-Sharia from the desert to the sea, right? Okay, if don't stop the sponsoring of bandits and Boko Haram and Fulanization of Nigeria, you better think again, Mr. Governor. This has been said so far by John Wazani. Well, I'm trying to pick up what John Wazani has just said. Onto this, he said, let me come again, let me take it again. He has said that you are not pro-Sharia from the desert to the sea, right? Okay, if you don't stop the sponsoring of bandits and Boko Haram and Fulanization of Nigeria, you better think again, Mr. Governor. Well, that's what he has said so far. Well, according to Kingsley Igu, he has said that, well, the moment one says unity of Nigeria is non-negotiable is the moment he destroys the same unity he wants for Nigeria. Governor Yaya says Nigeria cannot survive another civil war. Therefore, the country should remain indivisible as the one nation. He's a foolish governor. If a civil war, real civil war, can kill Nigeria, then it means Nigeria as it is today is no good. Okay, as it is today is no good at all to stand up to civil standard and reckoning, including persuasions and demands. Alright, that has been said by Kingsley Ugu. According to Mark Chukwu Emeka, well, he says, of course, you would not like your ends to be pulled off and dining table where there are so many varieties of dishes. Your fear is that you will no longer have oil money to share. The British colonial master before independence would gather the blacks for labor work, and the white commander would stand by the side and be shouting at the laborers. Alright, and then apes obey, and they would reply ha until they were no longer willing to obey, and they agitated and got independence. Alright, and then as it is, a lot of things are actually being said so far onto this one. And then it is also gathered that the Igbos that announced in 1966 through Major General Agoye Ironsi that Nigeria was an indivisible and indissoluble entity and sovereignty no negotiable now say it is over. When Fulani say these things, please always quote the authors in acknowledgement. Alright, and this governor didn't and would not talk the cause of agitations. Tell the governors of the north to stop Boko Haram Fulanization, okay? To stop Boko Haram Fulani herders, jihadists, to stop killing southeast, southwest, middle belt, and other ethnic nationalities. It pains my heart the north has inflicted so much disaster to Nigeria, but sees nothing wrong on their oppressive domination and think the status quo will remain so. Well, if the north give others peace, there will be Nigeria, but if not, nobody can stop separation. No war. All right, well, my brother, no, if you take a very good look at, I was just like, because most of all these things are what we have been saying repeatedly. I was just going through everybody's comments, and then so far somebody has just raised the right answer to this passage, which has been that, okay, fine, you don't want separation. Then are you able, or were you able, or have you been able to research, ask that, my people, the cause of this agitation, why is it that you people want to separate? Have you people gone through that to say, okay, what is the cause? Why do you want to separate? Of which majority of you people know, but we will keep resounding it to your hearing. Now, what as a learned person, as somebody who is ready to make peace, to make things work out, you don't want these people to separate, fine. You want Nigeria, fine. Then the reason why they are crying that we want to leave this country, have you been able to solve it? That is another question. In fact, that is just the major thing right now. Have you been able to solve the reason why everybody is agitating for separation? Now, maiming, killing of innocent souls, you are trying to Islamize the country at your own will. And the other region are saying, we want to be on our own. We can't. Why would you in the first place want to force people to serve a doctrine? So that's where the problem lies. And that is why God will continue to be punishing people like this. You are not thinking of solving the solution, and as in profiling solution to the problem, but you are there concluding. Then you are talking about you don't want any other war. Then that means you are the one that is creating war, because you don't want to listen. And that is why God will continue to deal with you people one after the other. Well, a lot of things have actually been said onto this one, and the majority of people have been of the opinion that, well, as it is, some of you will leave that seat mad, failing to face the truth. And a lot of people have been raising a lot of havoc, as in cursing all these people. But the truth of the matter is, they always keep deaf ear as if they are not hearing. But one thing for sure is, majority carry the vote. And then as it is, we all know what happened to Abba Kyari. It's very simple. God is watching, and then in no time, judgment will start falling upon everyone that is saying Nigeria should get bad, and then there won't be solution, because now in fact it's worse already. So now nobody is saying anything about how it can be okay, it can be good, but instead they are forcing people to do their will, and they said they don't want war. Well, that has been it on this one, my people. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.